Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about blog reordering. So now you can easily reorder the blog as per you want. Now let's move on to the website module, and in the blogs you can see that currently it's been arranged like astronomy, travel. Now if you want to change this arrangement, you can also reorder the blog. For that you can just move on to the configuration. Here we have the blog, and let me just drag it and place over here. Now let's move on to the sites and move on to the home page, and you can see that we have currently rearranged the blog, which means we have made a reordering in the blog. So that is one of the new feature in one of Odoo 18.1, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.